Here I've got BLU Vivo OnePlus 2019, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first you have to open your Play Store, then tap on the More icon, go to My Apps and Games, and here let me refresh it and check for updates. And as you can see here, you've got all applications that can be updated, so you can either update each particular application by tapping on Update right next to the Application tab, just like that. And then you can observe the progress, so at first the latest version will be downloaded and then installed. As you can see, it's almost 50%, so just a couple more seconds until it's done. We can wait and watch the progress here. And here you've got recently updated apps. And if you would like to update all applications, just click on Update All, and it will be done. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, do whatever you want to, grab some pictures, or do just whatever you want to, and then if you will go back to Play Store, you will be able to see the progress. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily update applications in your BLU Vivo OnePlus 2019. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.